In Java, the final keyword is used to declare constants, prevent method overriding, and enforce immutability. Let's see a simple example demonstrating the use of the final keyword to declare a constant. In this example, we declare a constant maxvalue using the final keyword. Once initialized, the value of maxvalue cannot be changed. If we attempt to change the value of maxvalue, like maxvalue equals 200, it will result in a compilation error because we cannot reassign a value to a final variable once it's initialized. The final keyword ensures that the value of maxvalue remains constant throughout the program. The final keyword helps create constants that retain their values throughout the program, preventing accidental modifications and ensuring code stability. Additionally, it can also be used with methods to prevent method overriding and with classes to prevent inheritance. See you again. Thank you.